Okay, so just down the beach here, checking out. There's a lot of boats taking people out to dolphin watching. What a beautiful morning, no clouds in the sky at all. Yeah, there's a lot of sailing boats in here. There wasn't this many last time, I don't think. So I don't know what we're doing today. I don't know where we're heading or where we're going, what direction. But just having a coffee on the beach, having a chat with the Balinese boys. And yeah.
Di Bali?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sudah sebelum itu ada bar, restaurant.
Oh.
Tapi setiap hari mabuk sekali ya. So aku jual itu and bangunan di kos. Yeah. Istri marah terus, aku mabuk begitu.
Normal.
So, yeah, biasa itu. So
restoran, bar, ada tamu, ada bule, ikut minum.
So jual itu bangunan di kos, and yeah, bisnis bagus.
Berapa kamar?
Ada 8 kamar. Lengkap itu, ada semua, you know, so air panas, you know, lemari, television, you know.
Kos untuk
2 juta setiap bulan. So.
Untuk bule or lokal?
No, just local aja. No. Tak mau boleh, just masalah, you know. Mabuk terus, and you know, ya begitu. Tak mau. So. Siapa nama kamu?
Gede.
Gede,
yeah.
Nice to meet you. My name's Grant.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
So you organise the dolphin tour, do you?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Right. There's a lot of boats going out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was good, having a bit of a chat to the locals, yeah. About the area and what's going on up here with tourism and that. Yeah, it's a lot quieter than down south, and it's very more relaxed. It's very still much like a country town up here, you know, without all that crazy hustle bustle of, you know, traffic and everything that's going on, the tourism and everything's getting more western, you know. It's nice up here, actually. I like it, you know. And you see why people do move from down south, westerners, expats, and end up here, because they're just sick of all the dramas down south. But so yeah, I don't know what we're going to do today. You see Bali in the distance goes right off around there. So maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll go for a ride that direction up towards Manjangan Island. I'm not sure what we're going to do. So anyway, I'll finish this tea. I've got a tea now, had a coffee. And that Bali coffee's so strong, eh? So, got my tea by the water. It's just peaceful. There's absolutely no one down here. Just in different areas, there's people all getting the boats out to see the dolphins, and a lot of people too. But that's about it. Otherwise, there's no one. I like it. All right, so breakfast at Puri Bali. It's a nice big area here, right in the front. Seriously close, less than 100 metres from the beach here. You get fried rice or an omelette or egg on toast, or a pancake banana, pancake chocolate pineapple, and a coffee. Thank you. It's a big power station, General Energy Bali. Anyway, we're going to head down to the ocean because we want to see if we can spot. There's the big power station, there's a big dock out to it, and there's all ships here, so we want to go down and see if we can see what's going on. Alright, so this is apparently a big steam operated electricity plant, Korean owned. So it's coal, these barges out the front are coal, they're probably used to power the plant, I'd say. Yeah. Right, stopped here on the side of the road, have a coconut. It's got about 20 minutes to go till hit Manjangan. No, so you see a pearl farm out here. See all the boys, all the black boys floating there? They're pearl farms, yeah. Very nice in the case. The water's really crystal clear up here. Yeah, beautiful. Check out these cliffs around the water here. Unreal. So there's another temple just here. How unreal is this? So So we're right up near Manjangan somewhere, and I don't know, there's some big ceremonies going on. There's a great big temple here. I'm not sure whether you can go into it. You probably need a sash. Oh, actually, there's a few tourists over there putting on a sarong and that. But just check it out up here. The countryside is, the coast is so beautiful up here. And the water's so clear. It's very desolate looking. There's not much vegetation on these mountains. They're very rocky and dead. And there's some huge cliffs over here. I'll show you in a minute. Nice little temple on the corner there, right on the ocean. How beautiful is this? Go over here and I'll show you these cliffs. Yeah, there's a big statue, like a Hindu statue up on top of the cliff up there. Very nice. I'm not quite sure exactly what this village is called, but it's Pura Pulaki. So it's Temple Pulaki. Yeah, that's the name of it. So just check out this. They got the big monkey statue, and then they got a monkey up on top of the thing. Check him out. Hanuman. Hey mate. He's a big boy too, look at him. Check out the legs on it. Oh, look at all the monkeys up there. They're big monkeys here. A lot bigger than ones we've seen up at Bator Lake. They're big. Yeah. Right, so we stopped at a little temple here. It's called Sagara Rupak Temple. And we're just past, we've come from North Bali right around from Singaraja, so we've just passed where you get the boats to Gili Manuk to go to Java. But this across here, these big volcanoes, and that's Java. You can see across here, so it's very close. It's probably only about, from here, probably looks about 7 or 8 kilometres over, I suppose. It's fairly close. It nearly goes out of sight. And I suppose that's still Java. What is that over there? I'm wondering those big mountains in the background, if that's Bali or is that Java. I think that's Java too. I suppose it is. Anyway, we'll see as we get further down the coast towards Jembrana. Well, I think we're about 20 kilometres from Jembrana now. But check out the size of those volcanoes, my God. Big volcano over here. Here's Mount Bromo, yeah. I think you can get tours to go up into the volcano crater and all that, yeah. So all of it, the whole of that, as far as you can see, is Java. Apparently that's an island, Palau Sedang, he said. So it must be an island off there that I didn't know about. Alright. Okay, so this is Jembrana. Alright, so we're right in the middle of Jembrana. Just looking for a warrant. Okay, so we're at Medowi Point. Some good waves coming through actually. We used to come surfing up here in the early 80s, late 70s, and this was like a big sacred point. You weren't even allowed on it, and the coppers actually come and kicked us off down onto the stones on the rocks and said we weren't even allowed on the point, and now they've just sold out to tourism, you know. So sad. That was a pumping set that just come through when we first pulled up. It's a good left-hand surf brake, brakes all the way down here. Comes a bit of a set now. Yeah, it's an easy soft left. When it was small down in Kurdi, we used to come up here surfing all the time. Alright, we're at, I think it's Arton Beach Club or something in Medowi. We're going to stay here the night maybe. Yuli just wants to look at a room. It's really nice. It's like little rooms each side. Double bungalows, pool up through the centre. It looks like there's rooms up the back as well. Very nice. It's $550 a night, which is about $55 a night. Oh, right opposite the pool. Nice. Looks good. As long as it's got aircon, it's all good. Very nice. Nice bed, it's got an aircon, you've got a fridge and it's got a telly. That's all you need, isn't it? Yes?
It's up to you.
Little toilet, shower, big shower. Opposite the pool?
Nggak ada ya?
Very nice. Looks like, is this all the same here, is it? Same? Wow. Right, so there's bigger rooms and they get more expensive as you go up the hill, but it goes right up there. Probably another 80 metres up there. There's a lot of rooms. So this is it for the night. Oh, so warm. So how unreal is this place? Arton Resorts and Beach Club. It used to be a club, apparently the other owner had parties, like rave parties and shit here all the time. They sold out, now it's quiet, there's no parties, which is good. And it's right on the rice paddies. Check this out, right next door. Got the rice terraces there. They're building a big resort just there, a bunch of bungalows or something, 100 metres away. And this is the beach. We'll go over to the beach and check it out. You can see that Medowi surf point that we were just at before, over there on the point. And this is more or less the beach going up to it. We could probably walk up the beach to one of them marungs. So I'm just down here, near where all they put all the fishing boats. That's the surf point out there, and there's a little river just here. And our hotel's just about 100 metres up that way. It's just so nice up here. I haven't been up here for so long, Medowi. It's very, very nice. So the fishing boat just getting pushed out now. It's just about to go out. Might see if we can film him going out through this surf and see how he goes. Alright, so they're more or less pushing these boats out. There's a guy out there, he's pushing it by hand. He's jumping on, I think he's going to try and get his motor going. And here he goes. We'll see how when he hits this wave, what happens. Woof. Yep, he's motored out. So you wouldn't want to do that in any bigger swell than this. I bet you there's been a few boats turned over doing that. Looks like another 2 fishing boats here ready to go out for the night as well. Alright, just cruising down. The river's just down there. And there's all little houses up here. How unreal is this? Let's see if we find a spot where the river opens up. How unreal is this? It just comes out at the ocean and goes all the way along to our hotel. Amazing. Alright, we're at the Holy Tree Canteen and Surf Shop. That's our hotel just there, about 100 metres away. And I think it's like a little warung or coffee shop or something. Hey boys.
They have food too.
Alright, got food and that. Just going to check out the front. So I can buy or rent surfboards, maybe buy. Yeah, how good's this? It's got a little 2-storey deck up there. How good's this? Right on the beach. Looks like you probably get a bit of a sunset from here. Alright, and here's the deck upstairs. Cool, check this out. Little hang spot, it's even got a hammock. Have a look at the beach. You see the point from here. Perfect. So here we got a matcha latte. Check out all the frothy milk. Got me coffee. Looks good, doesn't it? Okay, we're here at the Holy Tree for dinner. Just down from our hotel. I got a chicken wrap. Looks really good. Chicken wrap. Yuli got a green chicken curry, coconut curry, and 2 drinks and a bottle of water. It was 120,000, 12 bucks. Great deal. Breakfast on the beach. How good's this? Got a little mini skate bowl here for the skaters. How good's that? Okay. I'll show you where we were a minute ago. Our hotel's just straight across here. And this is sort of like Bali was back in the late 70s and the early 80s, just like this. Bamboo, grass roof, little warungs and places everywhere. That's the point we're at before where the boats come through. Anyway, so we're going to have breakfast, I don't know, maybe hang out for a while and head back home. It's been a good run. We've done, I don't know, nearly 300 kilometres maybe by the time we get home we would have. And it's been pretty good. Couldn't think of a better place to have breakfast. Check this out. Just beautiful. So breakfast wrap, alright, right on the beach. Nice coffee. Lily's typical matcha latte. Breakfast burrito. Okay, so I hope you like that little road trip. Yeah, just something that we like to do. Get away, a couple of nights. 3-day getaway is always good. So I'll leave you on the video here, and yeah, if you know the drill, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.